as we now proceed towards our century here, it seems as if we are going to make the century here today at Anchorage in Alaska. We are now at 63, and we are moving on to the century here in and so we have now 64, and 64 we'll have EFG, '65, HIJ, A64-1, A64-2, A64-3, A64-4, A64-6, A64-7, A64-8, F. 66, KLM, A65-1, A65-2, A65-3, A65-4, A65-5, A65-6, A65-7, A65-8, and we have no I, V1. 64, 65, 67, nope, A66-1, A66-2, A66-3, A66-4, A66-5, A66-6, A66-7, A66-8, L, V1. And let's put in our matrices sign here. That A67-1, A67-2, A67-3, A67-4, A67-5, A67-6, A67-7, A67-8. So sport would be in the minor field now because we're focusing on the science here, chemistry. So this is atomic number as well as protons and neutrons number in the margin here. And we have 67, 64, we have dolium, terbium, dysprosium, and ulmium. So sports is in the minor field, even though we're making a century here. So here we have O. So here we have another marker, intrinsic marker, which is my PE score here for the second time. That was in EE, Board of Ed. That was about 1986 or 7. So we have now QRS, six of dash there now, and we have A68-1, A68-2, 68, 3, 68, 4, 5. So that would be R V1. So we're past our PE marker there. I notice that the PE are overlapping here for PE mean physical education in terms of the basketballers and the cricketers. In terms of engineering, it will be professional engineering, and then we have another PE marker for protons, electrons, and neutrons, which is the PEN. Protons, electrons, and neutrons. So we have 6 to 9. That will be like tool mill, and we have multidimensional multi-field application here. QRS, T, U, V, V1. So don't be confused. A691, A692, A693, A694, A695, A696, A697, A698. So the sport will be the minor field, but when the money, for the money time, you could bring some of the money over here, making all the money, the millionaires and the billionaires, by putting ball in the hoops. I'm sweating over here, making all different types of centuries here, and my bank book is broke. What sort of a world is this? Six to 9, 70. Terbium, YB, PE marker, TUV, W, X, and Y, V1, 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 A71, A72, A73, A74, A75, A76, A77, A78, and we have an X. And this one will be a U. Lithium, Z, V2R, A, V2R, and B, V2R. And A711, A712, A713, A714, A715, A716, A717, A718, and A, V7. 72, C, D, and E, V, and V2I. A72-1, A72-2, A72-3, A72-4, A72-5, A72-6, A72-7, and A72-8. D, V1, 2. 73, F, G, H, V, A73-1, A73-2, A73-3, A73-4, A73-5, A73-6, A73-7, A73-8, G, V, to R. 74, I, J, and K. This is tungsten here. V11, V11 dash, V11 dash, and A74-1, A74-2, A74-3, A74-4, A74-5, A74-6, A74-7, A74-8, and J, V11. Here now, 75, A75-1, A75-2, A75-3, A75-4, A75-5, A75-6, A75-7, A75-8. I got something for you. '76, '77. And 77, where we'll take a break here at A77-1. So I've reached up to amazing matrix Amz79x12M here. As we proceed towards the century here in Anchorage, Alaska. That's 77. And that will be in the chemistry, the iridium in the margin there. Multi-dimensional, multi-field application. Let's just